Today on Toku Demo, I try not to squee too much as I open the Complete Selection Modification, V-Buckle and Drag Visor from Kamen Rider Ryuki. Wish me luck! Greetings once again, Toku fans. This is Jeremy from Toku Toy Store with a slightly different video than we are used to here on this series. I'm doing an unboxing of the Complete Selection Modification, V-Buckle and Drag Visor from the series Kamen Rider Ryuki. Now, this isn't a review as such, mainly because I actually don't know how all of this stuff works inside the box yet. There's quite a lot of it. So rather than reviewing it, I thought you might like to watch me unbox it and ride along with me as I get excited about the contents of the box. As you can see, the box is huge. It doesn't fit into my review space at all, so this video is going to look a bit weird compared to some of the others, but I'm sure you can bear with me and enjoy the ride as we go. Very little talking from me as I open this, apart from the odd reaction possibly. Hope you enjoy. Oh, you have to push really quite hard. Not sure about that. You have to push really quite hard to activate the card removal sound. Let's try that again. Oh, I've pressed something else. Okay, let's try that again. There you go. That's how you do that. Learning along with me. Oh, that was this bottom button. Probably about all I can play of that because of copyright, blah blah. Don't know if it plays the songs at random or if there's an order to it. Very recognizable songs from Ryuki. Heard that one already. And that one's not a button. Okay, so I wonder what happens if I change the decks. Apparently it's very easy to hit the buttons on this. Let's try our snaky friend here. Whoa. Not sure if it's temperamental or if it's just something I did. So they're the same. Sounds like you do get different voices depending on what deck you put in. That's cool. Man, that guy did such a good job with his acting. His voice is super creepy. Let's go for a bit of Ren and get to his deck. This is actually quite hard to line up. Okay. Again, it could just be me. All things are possible. He does long pauses. Oh. I was about to say I was going to press before he kept talking again, but that is some very long pauses. Exactly. Who are you calling an idiot? Okay, let's do some survive. Very, very, very easy to press. We've entered the mirror world. I'm hitting this as I'm trying to put the decks in. Oh, and now I'm pressing buttons again. I told you this video would be raw. Here we go. Let's try holding here instead. Need a purchase point. There we go. Just check we haven't got any new songs because it's in Survive. No, it doesn't appear so. Oh, he's still going. Any new sounds? I do love that they've included this mirror world noise sound. Okay, obviously I've just scratched the surface of this. There are full reviews out there already for this belt, and I may do a full review once I've got to grips with it myself, but I think we're going to move on to the drag visor now. Okay, there are two modes, the regular sound mode and the voice mode. I want to put some cards in this, so I'm going to use the regular mode. I have to go this way, there we go. if it matters which way you put them in. Not at all. There's nothing special about the advent of each one. I forgot about the possibility of pushing the button. Let's try that again with the advent cards. That's better. I thought it would be strange there wouldn't be any extra sounds. That's cool, man. Long but cool. Let's see. Let's have this guy. Okay, so that did extra noise straight away, the sound of him coming out of the ground. Cool. Let's have his final vent, why not? That was long. It's a bit of a case of stop, he's already dead. What else? Let's go. Oh, I love my Snaky Dude. Let's do Snaky Dude. Yeah, I was expecting more. So those are all cards from the V buckle. You can obviously use those in this as well as put them into the card decks. I don't think it adds anything to the V buckle itself. Let's try some of the cards that came with this drag visor, of which there were more. Let's have a strike vent, being as that's what this does. Shoot vent. Let's have a shoot vento. Okay, so one note, you have to be careful when you do that. I almost caught my finger in there. I've got some paint run on my display area here. That isn't coming off this. Can't see anything obvious, but something to be careful of. Copy. Now there's a whole lot in this. I mean, there's so many different cards that you could choose. And if you so wanted, you could make your own CSM anything and just take the soundboard out of this. You'd get all the sounds for whatever weapon you wanted. One more. How about, where is it? Time vent, there we go. That's cool, that's probably my favourite. So there you have it. That was my first look at the complete selection modification, V-buckle and drag visor from Kamen Rider Ryuki. You came along the ride as I tried to find out how this works for the first time. If you'd like a full review after I've done a bit more research and found out exactly how this all works, or a demo of all the sounds, whatever you want, let me know in the comments below and I will try to cater for you. Until next time, I've been Jeremy, this has been Toku Demo, and I'll catch you next time.